Retro.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the vibes, and if you're not, thank you for tuning in again. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I made these cute yarn Crocs. Make sure you stay tuned for the whole video to see how they come out in the end. So yeah, I'm just showing you how I'm laying the yarn out. I actually started going diagonal once I started going up the side of the shoe. And I just kept on gluing. Okay, as you can see, I got one shoe done already. I look so excited. Yeah, I got one shoe done already. So yeah, it's just me showing y'all my one shoe. That's how excited I was. And here I am showing you how I was laying the yarn. That's just about it. Just showing you how I'm laying the yarn. And how I started going at an angle once I got from the back of the shoe. And y'all, I be using my scissors to pat down this hot glue because when they get your skin, baby, I done been burnt too many times by hot glue. But yeah, I'm finally done with both pair. Bam. They cute. But yeah, they're not done yet. But yeah, I'm done with both pair. I'm probably gonna get some more yarn and another pair and make some more colors. If y'all want some, make sure you hit me up. I'll put my email in the description box below. Yes, they are done just in time because tomorrow is 4/20. I actually got done with these just in time. Today is April 19th. Tomorrow is 4/20. So yeah, your girl did a thing with these shoes now. Like I said, if y'all would like to order a pair, I will be putting my email in the description and my Instagram and my Facebook. So yeah, holla at your girl. You see the custom tags. So yeah, they will definitely know who made them. Thank y'all for watching my video. Thank y'all for staying tuned through the whole thing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you will be noticed every time I post. Peace.